This is Mr. Ifeanyi Okuaja, male of Umegumpam in Ahia Zumbise LGA, Imo State. Earlier this month, the man is a bus driver to Abia City Mass Transit Nigeria Limited. So earlier this month, he loaded at their park in Onitsha, bound to Lagos State. Then on their way, he had a quarrel with a passenger, and he threatened the passenger and told the passenger that he would deal with him. So on their way, after a Jabode in Ogun State, he saw a truck parked by the roadside, and he intentionally went and bashed his boss on that truck in his bid to cause harm or mayhem to that particular passenger which he had a quarrel with. And the particular passenger sitting at the right in front of the bus died instantly, and several others injured. And this particular man came down from that bus and carried his bag away. He entered motor and came back to Mbise here. He did not bother himself by going to any nearby police station to make entry concerning the ugly incident. So, thereby he has been traced by the company and arrested by a police officer, Inspector Monde Christopher, serving at DOPS. He was brought here yesterday, Ahia Zumbise Police Station, the 18th of July 2026. And now he has been released to this